Yes?
Three small questions.
I don't know if I can handle three.
First is there any Indian guru except the founder in ISKCON? Second is, since there are so many souls coming and going to Krishna, what steps are taken if some mistake is committed? I mean, the proper soul is not given the proper body.
Krishna doesn't make mistakes.
And third is will there be a time when is there any Indian guru including the founder in ISKCON?
Well, the guru is neither Indian or American or German or Swedish.
I mean his body.
The guru is not considered to have an ordinary material body. His body is spiritualized. He is given second birth as a son of Krishna. If one sees guru as being an Indian or American, then it's described one sees the guru Naramati, or if he sees deity, Murti Shilasu, if he sees the Murti as a stone, as a material object, or if he sees, what's the third one? A Vaishnav, Vaishnava Jati Buddhi. If he sees a Vaishnav as being of any particular caste, to see the Guru as a human being, to see a Vaishnav as a Jati, like a Brahmin or a Sudra, or as a black, or as a white, or as a Russian, or as a Chinese, or as an American, or an Indian. If one sees as Jati Buddhi, then it says that these people are residents of hell.
There is no answer to this question.
That means that nobody can answer that question without being a pasandi, without being an offender. Because the guru is not a question of nationality. You should understand what is guru. Guru is he who has Krishna, who is representing Krishna according to the Sadhu and the Shastra. He is guru. And a Vaishnava, that someone who is a Vaishnava, he is not part of this world. He is directly connected with Krishna. Whatever he was previously, before being a Vaishnava, that is due to so many karmas. But as soon as he becomes a Vaishnava, all those karmas are finished. Apavitro pavitro va. Whatever is pure or impure, whatever is impure, that becomes purified. Apavitro pavitro va. Sarvastangatopi jasmaret pundarik aksham sa bhaya bhyantaram suchi. Shri Vishnu, Shri Vishnu, Shri Vishnu. Inside and outside, he becomes fully purified by the power of Vishnu mantra at the time of initiation. Just like a touchstone can touch lead and make it gold, the mantra of Guru changes one from material to spiritual. So if one sees a Vaishnava, oh, he is an American Vaishnava, here is an Indian Vaishnava, then here is a Muslim Vaishnava, or here is a this Vaishnava, he does not know what is Vaishnava. He is making offense. Vaishnava has got no caste or creed. Here is a very big, fat Vaishnava, here is a thin Vaishnava. That's not the qualification. To who has got Krishna? Who is serving Krishna purely? Oh, he is Vaishnava? There's no other caste. There's a special caste. When you say, what is the gotra of a Vaishnava? It's Achyuta gotra. There's a separate gotra, separate everything. So you should try to find out which guru is a Vaishnava guru. Not which guru is an Indian or American or this or that, Swedish or Russian or Chinese. Which guru is a pure Vaishnava guru? Who is purely serving Krishna? Whoever has Krishna Krishna ditte pade. You can give Krishna. That is what we pray every day. You are Guru because you can give Krishna. If you find someone who has Krishna, who is very much addicted to Krishna, then you know that he has Krishna. Then you should try to get Krishna from him. That is what one tries to get from Guru. That is the greatest thing he can get. If one approaches Guru for something else, then he is not very intelligent. So a Guru may have any material body, but we have to see what he has and if he has Krishna or not. If he has Krishna, then we should approach him, because that's what we want. Other Guru is meant to give Krishna. You go to the shop to buy some groceries. You go to the airline to get an airline ticket. You go to Guru to get Krishna. So you have to find out where is the Vaishnava Guru who has Krishna. You may find Indian Guru, but he may not have Krishna. You may find a Chinese, Russian Guru, but he may not have Krishna. Whoever the Guru, you have to see is he's actually, the real Guru means that he's no jati, he's Vaishnava Guru. You can understand?